A vibration, guys, look, broke the handle. Ah. Alright, so after a little bit of wood glue and a few clamps, I think that thing should be back to normal. But I think what I'm going to do is, after the glue dries and I pin both sides, I'm actually going to pin one long small piece of dowel through the center. But I managed to get the little sides pinned, all four corners, but yeah, I wasn't actually able to get that pin there. I think I'm going to just let that dry and then I'm going to pin the sides. But yeah, it was unfortunate, but it needed to be done. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing you can really do about it. I mean, once it's sanded, I guess it'll be back to normal. But yeah, so far it's coming along. A lot of sanding work actually involved, and it's actually a little bit tedious actually pinning all corners, but I really kind of wanted to do it that way. So I've got 3 here, 3 here, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and then probably 2 here. Plus, obviously, that's all pinned as well. So it's fairly solid. It's going to look nice when it's done. I've got some nice green felt that's actually going to cover the inside. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You know, I don't do this for a source of income, to be honest. If you did, you'd have to get, you know, hundreds and hundreds of thousands of views monthly to really kind of make a living, or to quit your job. So yeah, I don't make it strictly for the money, but any little money I do make actually helps, because I do buy stuff for the workshop, like those drill bits. But yeah, I hope everyone can stick around. Enjoy the next video. Alright, so it is a beautiful sunny day here in Australia. I'm really starting to make some progress on the box, but I forgot that I had to pin the little handle that's actually pinned from the side. I actually forgot to pin the metal skin to the bottom of it, so I'm going to do that now. But I picked up a bunch of drill bits from eBay, just various different sizes. I think it goes all the way from 1.5 to 3.5, I'm pretty sure, or anyway, somewhere along those lines. But it was super cheap. I think it was about $4 Australian with free shipping. And the good thing about having multiple small, look how small they are, drill bits, is you never know when you're going to need them. Now, I needed a small one for pre-drilling the little nails into the timber, but I was lucky enough to have a few lying around. But if you didn't, then it's a really good purchase, because for that price you're getting, you know, about 10 of each size that are prone to breaking. So if you buy a set, if you break it and you don't have another one, well, then you've got to run back out to buy it. So you're getting 50 for, you know, basically nothing, couple dollars. So I've already pre-drilled the holes in the side of the tote tray. I've actually got it flipped upside down, and what I've been using as dowels are actually just small little toothpicks, which obviously in its own mind are round and are wood. So I mean, you could call them dowels, really tiny 3mm dowels. But yeah, making some really good progress. And quick tip, jump on eBay, get yourself some drill bits, because you can never have too many.